Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the system fan, loosen the 2 screws on the rear of the base cover. Remove the other 7 screws. And pry the cover off the system. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the system fan and remove the 2 screws. Disconnect the cables. Lift the fan out of the system. To reinstall the system fan, place it back in the system. Reconnect the cables. And install the 2 screws. Plug in the battery cable. Place the base cover back on the system and secure it with the 9 total screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.